In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Zephyr in Jira. To get started, log into your Jira account and make sure you are on the main dashboard. Once you are signed in, look toward the top left area of the screen for the main navigation bar. From there, click on Apps. This is where Jira lets you access and manage additional tools and integrations that can expand what your workspace can do. After you click Apps, a drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, select Explore More Apps. This will take you to the Atlassian Marketplace area connected to Jira, where you can browse and install available apps. Once that page opens, go to the search bar and type in Zephyr. Give the results a moment to load, then look for Zephyr Test Management and Automation for Jira in the search results. Make sure you select the correct app so you are installing the intended test management solution for your Jira environment. When you open the Zephyr app listing, click Try It Free. This begins the installation process and allows you to set up the app for evaluation before committing to a paid plan. A new window will open asking you to choose an edition and site. At this point, select the option that fits your needs, such as Standard or Advanced, and then choose the Jira site where you want Zephyr to be installed. If you manage more than one site, take a moment to confirm you are selecting the right one before moving forward. Next, click Review. This step gives you a chance to verify the edition and installation destination before the app is added. It's always a good idea to quickly check the details here so you can avoid installing it in the wrong place or selecting the wrong plan. After reviewing everything, click Start Free Trial to begin the installation. The process may take a little time, so just wait while Jira completes the setup. Depending on your connection and workspace configuration, this can take a few moments. Once the installation is complete, Zephyr will be successfully added to your Jira setup. With Zephyr integrated into Jira, you'll be able to manage test cases more effectively directly within your project workflow. This creates a more connected approach to both project management and quality assurance, helping your team stay organized and efficient. After installation, feel free to explore Zephyr's features inside Jira and get familiar with the tools it offers for testing and automation. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.